This is after driving a few hours or a few miles. I don't know what this thing is here, but it's smoking. Something's dripping onto the manifold. I'm not sure exactly what that is. Could be oil, probably oil. Probably should be something on top of that. It's like the other side. It's got some kind of liquid flowing from it. Can't tell what it was, what it is. And some oil also. Kind of splattering around here. Yeah, it looks like it's a spray from here or something. Gotta find out what that does. Maybe it's from that. Ooh, that's not good. Gas is boiling on the fuel line there. That's not good. Have to get that taken care of right away. Yeah. It's probably not good. But next time have a fire extinguisher with me would be helpful. Yeah, I'm not sure what the heck that is. Dripping there. Everything's like super hot. Alright, I'm gonna put that.